Jesus falls the first time. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
See, my dear friend, my father is stressing and dominating that I should become a doctor.
Yeah, what your father says is right, because they have a plan for you.
They also need to see my wish. What about that?
Of course, but they are your parents.
I am totally confused. No one understands my desire.
In the wake of the day, youth fall many times because of the stress and domination. They are in confused situation to make decision, and they are made to prove that they made wrong decision. The wrong decision does not allow them to think about the right decision. Thus, they fall like Jesus, who fell on the ground because of our sins of humanity. Prayer. O my Jesus, no matter how far they may fall, in no matter, O my, O my Jesus, no matter how far they may fall, in no matter what depths they may become mired, help us to receive them with understanding and sympathy. Jesus, when you fell under your cross, you did not stay down. You struggled to your feet and went on. Help us and our youth who are under the weight of the heavy burdens of wrong decision. Have mercy on us, O Lord, have mercy on us.